Hi, I'm Tushar Patel, Product Manager for SOLERA Solar Lighting. Today we're introducing the SL G3 solar area light. This solar area light features a very sleek, modern design where the battery is integrated into the solar panel for easy installation. The SL G3 is available in 60L and 100L models that provide 6,000 lumens and 10,000 lumens respectively. The FlexColor area light can be easily set to 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 K by using a switch in the driver box. And there's a high-performance MPPT charge controller that maximizes solar charge under all conditions. The advanced lithium iron phosphate battery will charge all the way down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and the light can operate as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. The light is programmable and includes a built-in motion sensor and status indicator. The solar panel acts like a photocell and controls when the light goes on or off. The standard program will have the light operate at 2 hours at 80% output, then switch to sensor mode for the rest of the night. The light's designed to mount onto a 2 3/8 inch tenon, and the optional accessories include lenses, shields, a remote control, and mounting hardware. Please contact your LED sales representative for additional information.